Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to ask you a question. Are you tired of seeking validation from others? Are you tired of yearning for acceptance? Don't you think it's time to free yourself? Free yourself from the endless cycle of egoic desires and discover your true self. Join me in this powerful meditation journey as we dissolve the ego and embrace the authentic us. Find a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and prepare to embark on a journey to dissolve the ego and return to our natural state of inner peace. Enter the woods. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, calming air. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension in your body. Inhale deeply again, and as you exhale, release the need for external validation. Repeat after me. I am enough, just as I am. Feel the weight of the world lifting off of your shoulders as you acknowledge your intrinsic worth. Now, let's focus on the ego, the part of you that seeks approval from others. Picture it as a delicate, transparent bubble surrounding you, filled with the desires for validation and acceptance. Repeat after me. I release the grip of my ego and embrace my authentic self. Visualize this fragile ego bubble slowly dissolving, fading away like mist in the morning sun. With each passing moment, you become more connected to your true self. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a still, small voice within you. This voice is your inner wisdom, your true self, unburdened by the opinions of others. Repeat after me. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. Listen closely to this voiceless voice as it reflects knowledge, not belief. It is your anchor. It is your anchor to reality, a source of unwavering confidence. In this moment, you begin to realize that what is real needs no validation, seeks nothing, and no one. What is real exists beyond appearances. What is real has no opposite and exists beyond the opinions of others. Repeat after me. I am anchored in my truth, unaffected by external opinions. In this moment, you are free from the fluctuations of the ego. You are free to be your most authentic self, attracting positivity and authenticity into your life. Before we exit the woods, I invite you to stay in this peaceful state for a little while longer, embracing your authentic self, knowing that you are complete just as you are. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this newfound inner peace with you into the world. Always remember, you are enough, and your authenticity shines brightly. You are free from the burden of seeking approval, for you are already whole. Thank you, and have a wonderful day or evening.